Yep.
Hey, welcome to Caven's Toy Review. And today we're playing with Legos.
Legos is the review today, people. How many pieces is in that thing, Caven?
24,000 pieces.
Not quite 24,000. It's 502, and they're just classic
502.
Legos. All right, you can move that box out of the way, son. And is it just you today?
Nope. It's my guest, Trent, and he's my best cousin.
He's his friend, best friend, and his cousin.
Yep.
Now, what did y'all build with those Legos?
We built a car carrier.
Let's take a better look. Let's take a better look at what you built. That looks kind of weak. Looks like y'all could have built something better than that.
See? And we built a cord that gives you internet. And we
where's the other piece to the internet?
Boat. And we got a city boat.
Where's the other piece?
I'll be back, YouTubers. Let me go get the piece. I'll be back.
There's one more piece. Trent, where's your toy? Where'd you build, little buddy? That's Trent.
I built this.
Got a special guest appearance.
I got it.
He's got it, YouTubers. Alright, let's put it on there.
Motor.
And see the internet thing, and then Trent is going to show us what he made. Let me ask y'all both something real quick. Can you make a bunch of different stuff with this?
Yeah. Yeah.
So the other kids could make stuff that they thought was cool, huh?
Yeah.
These are just some ideas.
And this is a
So y'all like the Legos?
Yeah.
It's a good Lego set.
Yeah.
It's not the real big pieces, it's smaller pieces so you can make a bunch of different stuff.
Yeah. And this.
Alright, what do you got there?
This is the boat that if you have to leave stuff on a boat, it will carry it back.
Oh, okay. So what we got here, people, is like a barge, kinda. Maybe you could use a tugboat to push it along or something like that, made by Trent. Again, people, y'all can make whatever y'all like. There's plenty of pieces. They've actually already made all kinds of different stuff and tore it down from boats to cars to all kind of stuff. And I believe my son here, Caven, actually made a cruise ship that has a swimming pool. Where's that swimming pool, son?
And it opens right
on
here.
On top, there's that, and inside, there's a swimming pool. Those are supposed to be people in there swimming. So you can make whatever you want, and then back on the top, there's people too. But it opens up so that they can get some sun.
And this one is carrying stuff if somebody forgot their stuff. If they left it inside and they forgot it.
So it's like
they bring everything.
Is it a boat or what?
Yeah.
Okay, so this thing comes to this and brings them something if they forgot it. Cool. Alright, what else you got, Trent? So the review's not too long.
This is a house that
Let's get a better look.
This is a house that is indestructible. If there's a tornado, it won't break.
Oh, an indestructible house. You can see the doorway in the front there. It's got the wings on the outside. And it is tornado proof. You ain't got to worry about that house breaking, do you, Trent?
No.
Nope. So, all in all, what do you two boys think about the Legos? Y'all get together a little bit so I can get you both.
That's my YouTubers.
I can't even see you, son. You got to get up.
Hey.
Alright.
And this one is us looking if everyone's safe and sound.
Yeah, that one's kind of weak, but
It'll call
people
for
can
help.
build anything they want, huh?
Yeah.
There's plenty of pieces. There's 502 pieces. Was there anything y'all didn't like about the Legos?
No.
Alright, honestly, so far I hadn't found anything wrong with the Legos either, because you can build pretty much whatever. Whatever your imagination brings to you. That's the beauty of the Lego set. The smaller pieces, you can make all kind of
We
stuff.
can build a castle, we can build a
Alright.
Walmart, we can build a house.
You can go by the pictures and build that, or you can build your own thing.
And we can build a hotel.
Alright, y'all tell them. Thanks for watching the review.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.
Hit subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe.
And click that comment.
Yeah,
and
you
don't
make your
forget,
comment.
Smash the like button.
Smash
and
that
I'll
like
see you
button.
in the next video.
That's it.